Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Sometimes, no matter how desperate things can seem, a small act of kindness can make all the difference. In this real-life inspirational story, a woman helps a homeless man when he is at his lowest point. God ends up reuniting that man, Will Levens, and woman, a paramedic named Gianna Nomelli, years later at a gas station. And Will's amazing transformation is simply heartwarming. During a lifetime, we encounter so many different people, and we don't always get to see the impact we've made. But when paramedic Gianna Nomelli met a homeless addict, Will Levens, God blessed them with a beautiful reunion later on in life. One fateful day, 14 years ago, Gianna Nomelli found Will Levens scrabbling through a dumpster finding recyclables. Will at the time was at the rock bottom, hopelessly addicted to opioids, following his wife's tragic death, homeless, unemployed, and destitute. She helped him out and they became friends in what little way she could. Gianna could have ignored Will quite easily, seeing him as just yet another lost soul which had fallen through the cracks of society. Yet she saw through his shabby, unkempt appearance and realized he had a golden heart and he deserved a second chance at life. The heartwarming little tale of salvation touched thousands of people, having been posted more than 23,000 times and sparking discussions about compassion, empathy, and compassionate care of people who may be dealing with addiction issues. Gianna is a paramedic and, sadly, she encounters addiction all too often. Homelessness and addiction is a part of our Stanislaus County everyday routine, she says. I have always been a protector of humanity. I agree that during our journey to the ER, we have a rare opportunity to express positivity and affection, no matter who the patient is. I remind addicts frequently that they have a place in the world and empower them to see themselves as mentors to others who are still dealing with addiction. Unfortunately, my family has been plagued with addiction. It's because of them that I have the gift of seeing the human behind the addiction. My advice is one of hope. Never give up. See yourself through our Creator's eyes. You are worthy of life because you are still breathing. Live your purpose no matter the struggle along the way. Gianna and I continue to stay in touch and renew their once held friendship from now on. More is on the way for those interested in Will's full story. I'm going to help him make a video from dumpster to now, sharing his personal journey, Gianna told us. To him, it's easier to tell his story than to write it. How are you thinking? Are there enough empathy and compassion we have for homeless people? Do you know someone who deals with alcohol problems? Is the new method of criminalizing dependency and homelessness really working? Let us know what you think in the comments below.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.